Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can download Affinity 3 on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to get the new creative app from Canva, Affinity 3 on your computer. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to search for Affinity 3. You're going to click onto this first link from affinity.serif.com, and then here you're just going to click onto Get Affinity on this button. Click Sign Up to download. You can use your Canva account or you can continue with another account. So I'm going to use my Canva account. And here you're going to select your platform. So I'm on Windows, so I'm going to select Windows here. Select MSI EXE x64. Download Affinity up and just wait for it to complete downloading on your computer. The speed of the download depends on how fast your internet is. So we'll just wait for it to complete downloading. After it's done downloading, open it up. Select the location that you want to install the software onto. Click Install them. Wait for it to complete installing on our computer. After it's done installing, just simply open the software up. Click Login or Sign Up. Log in with your Canva account. And there you have it. Here you can see we have Affinity working on our computer. Now we can start creating and making our designs. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to download Affinity on our computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.